If you want to move data from your USB flash drive to Redmi Note 15 Pro or 15 Pro Plus, or if you want to move data to the USB flash drive, then what you need to do is you need to use a file manager. So after connecting, sorry about that, let's go back. After connecting your USB flash drive, we can use, for example, the file manager that we have over here. And you should be able to go to the storage here at the bottom. And we have access to our internal storage, so the phone's storage, and we can go, for example, through different folders in order to try to find whatever we want to transfer. We can also use these types in here, like images, let's say, and I should be able to select them. And if I finally select data that I want to transfer, so let's say we're going to transfer from our phone to the flash drive, then we can choose move at the bottom of the screen. Then over here, we need to choose USB storage. So now I'm transferring from the phone to the USB flash drive. And then we can decide where we want to transfer. We can, of course, go through different folders in here in order to decide. You can also press this plus button in order to create a new folder. But once you are in a folder or in a space where you want to save these files, then we can just tap on this check in the upper right corner. And there we go. And if you want to transfer from the flash drive to the storage of the phone, then first we need to select USB device over here. As you can see, we have all the files that I just recently transferred. So I'm just gonna transfer them back. So we're gonna select it over here and we're gonna tap on move again. This time, of course, I want to choose internal storage and we can decide where it should be placed. So let's say I'm gonna go maybe the DCIM folder, for example. So there we go, and tap on this check in the upper right corner, and that's pretty much it. These files have been moved again to the internal storage of my phone. And that is pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.